Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel once again. And today I decided to do something with my hair for a change, and this is probably something that you don't know, but I am absolutely obsessed with anime. So yeah, this is my hair for today. It probably won't stay for long because I don't know how to do it properly to make it stay nice up like this all day, which is also why I don't wear it for around, because I think it would fall down probably after 5 seconds. But I really like how it looks like and I love my green hair. So that is not what this video is about though. So today we are going to do like a quick, fresh, easy kind of a makeup look, because summer is here almost. Well, spring is here, summer is around the corner. So this is for the days where you just don't have time to put a very dramatic makeup on. So without further ado, we're gonna jump right into it. So as always, first I'm using the Art Deco eyeshadow base. Also very important, always use sunscreen when you go out, because you want to make sure you protect your skin. And now that the sun is out more, even though technically you should wear sun protection, well, every time you leave the house, but it's even more important now because, you know, it just is. Now next we're gonna do the eyebrows, because I don't know whether they're gonna need fixing. And what I've been really liking is to use a green shadow, even though it is a little bit shimmery, but you know what, I don't even care. And it's this green eyeshadow here, and it's from a sleek makeup palette, and the palette is called Glory 767. So yeah. Then I just brush them out a little. Right, and now we can start with the eyeshadow. So I decided to go very minimalistic, so I'm gonna be using two smaller eyeshadow palettes. So the first one, I will be using this one that I already used the green for my eyebrows. And the second one that I will be using is the Lorac Pro blue, and that was a mini. I can't remember what the mini is called, but the colors that you have in here are cream, nectar and mocha, on the warmer side kind of colors. And I chose these colors because I think they're quite easy to come by. These are not rare kind of shades. I want to keep it simple for you guys, so that if you wish to, you can recreate this look. Cream, which is this color here, and as always we're just gonna stab it on under the eyebrows. Then we're gonna take the color Nectar, which is the color in the middle, and we're just gonna put it in the crease. Now we're gonna take the color Mocha, which is the darkest color here, and we're just gonna put it at the end of the outer V. Now we're gonna take the same brush that we have previously used for that middle color, and we're gonna go into Nectar again, and we're just gonna blend it over. And then we're gonna take a small brush And we're going to go into the color. Now these colors don't have names, however we're gonna go into this second color here. Of course we can't forget to blend the eyeshadow, so we're gonna take a nice fluff. I almost had myself in the eye, that's cool. And we're just gonna go over the edges and just have a quick blend. I decided I don't really want to use a black liner with today's look because I want something quick, easy and simple. So I'm gonna use a glimmer stick for lips in Rich Ginger. And it's technically a lip liner, and this is from A1. Looks like this, but if it's safe for the lips, we'll assume it's safe for the eyes as well. And we're gonna put on some mascara, and for that I have the new mascara today. It is the Sensational waterproof mascara. It's completely new, so I'm super excited to try it out and see how it goes. I can't remember when was the last time that a mascara made my eyelashes look so big and fluffy. I really like it. We are going to skip foundation, and I will tell you why. To be honest, I don't think that my skin is that bad that I would need foundation, but I just like to put it on basically. But now that it is sunny and warm and you sweat when you move for like 1 inch, so I don't really see much of a point to put on foundation just so that you can sweat it off 5 minutes later. So I would just recommend that you put on sunscreen that is high enough for what you need to protect yourself from the sun. However, we will be putting on a little bit of highlighter because why not? And for that I will be using the trusty Latte London Shimmer Squad. Now everything we used so far is very affordable, so it's not gonna break your bank. And for the highlight we will be using the Good Girl because that is just my favorite, and it's this one here. Okay. Now if you're full coverage fish, then you're probably not gonna like the idea of not wearing a foundation. However, I think that sometimes it's just nice to give the skin a break, especially if we have lovely weather like it is outside at the moment. Just to make sure that your lips are nice and soft and shiny and healthy looking, we're going to take the velour lip scrub in watermelon. And you might be thinking, why would you need a lip scrub? Let me tell you. You think my lips look alright, yeah? We need a lip scrub. Okay. So yeah, I have the watermelon one, and you don't even understand how good this smells. Like you don't even know. And we're gonna take like a bit on our finger. I probably already took too much, and it's so gritty. It's like literally it's sugar infused with like a little bit of liquid or something. So yeah. Oh, I ate it by mistake. Damn. Gonna turn the thing around and not in my hair. Look at my lips now. We're just gonna put a little bit of highlight back on top, and you can put a gloss on this. I decided to go in with NARS Dolce Vita. But yeah guys, this has been all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this easy, kind of a fresh, summery, natural, whatever you want to call it, kind of a look. I had a lot of fun. Also, I will be including pictures somewhere of this look, somewhere, probably now that I'm talking, because as always, I'm not doing anything particular right now, so it doesn't matter whether you can see my face or not. But yeah guys, this is it. This is it for real now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, night, whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Hopefully. Bye!